Shwmae chi gyd, mae'n amser codi llaw ar draws y byd. Shwmae, shwmae, shwmae mynd, mae'n amser deud helo wrth bob un ffrind. Helo, helo, shwmae chi gyd, mae'n amser codi llaw ar draws y byd. Shwmae, shwmae, shwmae mynd, mae'n amser deud helo wrth bob un ffrind.
Prynhawn da, welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me again for this week's assembly. And a great big thank you, diolch yn fawr iawn, to Jensen, Emmy and Amber for their wonderful participation in our welcome song this week. It was really lovely to see you all singing along as well and knowing those words so beautifully. Diolch yn fawr.
We've all been extremely busy over these last few weeks, and it's shown how truly unique and special our school really is. We may be small, but we are definitely mighty.
I'm extremely proud of you all. I always have been, but at the moment, particularly so. Of you, of your mums and your dads and your grands and your granddads, and of your teachers and all of the staff that work in the school to support us all. I think Llamilo has coped especially well with this situation, and I think that comes down to our strong community family spirit that the school has always had. Today, I'm really lucky that I've been able to include some of the wonderful examples of learning that I've been able to find when I've been looking through all of the files and all of the Facebook posts. So thank you to those that I've been able to choose, and apologies that I haven't been able to include everybody in my assembly today, because there are so many of you that deserve to be included. I have this week also created a good practice video which does include many other examples, so if you haven't seen that, please have a little look at that on our website too.
We've all received some really positive feedback yesterday from both the Charlie Waller Memorial Trust for our video, but also for our good practice video, Bluebells. I received 2 emails from the local authority yesterday congratulating us on the wonderful work. So da iawn pawb. I really love Milo, your stone snake, who's growing by the day. I really can't wait to welcome him to Llamilo School grounds so we can all look back on this time and remember how brilliantly we've coped. Do you recognise this part of the school grounds? It's changed an awful lot since you saw it last. A huge thank you to Iestyn and Neve Comey and the Llamilo Association ground maintenance team for really helping us to develop our outdoor area ready for us to reopen.
I'm going to hand you over now to Connor Lewis, who has spent some time in the last few weeks learning the months of the year, and I think he's done a fantastic job. So thank you, Connor, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did.
January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Can you send that to Smoker, Mummy?
Yes.
Thank you.
Diolch yn fawr, Connor. That really put a smile on my face. As I said earlier, this week I've put together a video about some of the work that's been going on in Dosbarth Lleuad to do with bluebell poems. Some of the bluebells at the moment are beautiful, and I think Dosbarth Lleuad have really captured the beauty of this flower in their poetry. So da iawn Dosbarth Lleuad, extremely impressed, and I'm going to hand you over now to Finley for his poem.
Beautiful bluebells waving in the wind, lovely bluebells all around me. Umbrella-shaped bluebells hiding from the rain, exciting bluebell, blue and purple colours remind me of rainbows. Bells ringing in the summer breeze, enormous bumblebees landing on the leaves. Lush smelling bluebells remind me of sweets, lovely green leaves that shout like laugh.
And here is Emmy's poem too. This one's beautifully handwritten and illustrated. We're having a tough job to decide who deserves these certificates every week. You're all deserving. Congratulations to Connor Lewis, Finley Chapman, Ellis McDermott, Paige Cap and Shane Cap. Da iawn.
Llongyfarchiadau pawb. Well done to Emmy, Jensen and Amber for participating in today's assembly, and also a really big thank you to Nuala and Carrie Comey for their great work in starting off Milo the Snake. Congratulations everyone. I also have some really exciting and happy news to share with you all this afternoon as well. At 37 minutes past 11 this morning, baby Sophia Fleer Davis entered the world, and we'd like to say a huge congratulations to Mr. Davis and his wife, Sarah, for the birth of their beautiful baby daughter. We're sending all our love and we can't wait to meet her soon. Mr. Davis will take paternity leave next week to spend the first week with his beautiful baby daughter. Mrs. Southam and I will take over the marking and feedback of Dosbarth Seren's work, and I'll be setting the literacy and numeracy tasks each day. If you have any problems at all, please get in contact with me and I will do my best to help you out while we wait for Mr. Davis to return. So, thank you all very much for joining me again. Looking forward to seeing you all very, very soon. And in the meantime, please stay safe and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody. Don't forget, if you'd like to have a go at performing the song to start our assembly, please get in touch with me.